Hi everyone, Connor here from Team Blockdaemon, and today we are presenting a tutorial designed to show you the process of staking Solana through Fireblocks via WalletConnect. To begin the process, first access the Blockdaemon app. On the left hand side of the app, under the staking section, select Protocols. Here you'll see a list of featured protocols which support in-app Blockdaemon staking. Solana will appear in this list of protocols. You will be presented with two options: View Sol Dashboard and Stake. Select View Sol Dashboard. You have the choice to manually add wallet addresses, or by going through the WalletConnect staking journey, your address will automatically appear in this dashboard. Now, click the Stake Actions button in the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click the Stake button. Then select Connect to connect your Fireblocks wallet. When you select Connect, you'll be presented with a screen where you have the option of several different wallets. Select Fireblocks, which is the first option. This will now open your Fireblocks account in a new tab. You will see a message stating Linking WalletConnect. This will link your Fireblocks wallet and the Blockdaemon Solana account. Now, navigate back to the Blockdaemon app. Under the Connect Wallet field, it will show a grayed out button stating Already Connected. We are now going to look at how to stake Solana. Under the Staking Details field, we'll input 0.1 Sol. On the right hand side, you will see an Order Summary field. This will show the amount you wish to stake under tokens, the transaction fee in Sol, and then the total amount at the bottom. You are also presented with a notice at the bottom stating Solana takes around 2 days to unbond tokens. Now click Stake on the right hand side. You are presented with a message asking you not to refresh the page while the transaction is being processed. This typically takes a few seconds. You will now be presented with a notification from the Fireblocks wallet that you have a pending signature. You now need to accept this within the Fireblocks wallet to stake your Solana. Within the Blockdaemon app, you will then see that the transaction is broadcast. Under the text Transaction Broadcasted, you will be able to click the link of the transaction hash and open another tab to view the status of your transaction on a Solana Explorer. You can click on View Rewards in the Solana dashboard to access the Blockdaemon Solana staking dashboard. And that's it. You're now equipped to stake Solana through Fireblocks via WalletConnect, fully understanding the process from start to finish. If you'd like to access your Solana staking rewards data at a deeper level, Blockdaemon also offers a Solana staking rewards API, which allows you to retrieve both current and historical staking rewards. This data can be used for financial data analysis if you wish. A full overview of this API is available as a link in the description box of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this and take a look at our other Blockdaemon videos and podcasts. But until next time, we wish you a successful and rewarding staking journey.